Dollmaker.
This show is so good.
Yeah, let's keep watching it.
I like the people that do the doll maker show.
Yeah, me too.
They are, whoa. Oh. And it's so creepy. They always have really good mysteries.
I want to watch this every day. Anyway, Hyper, we better get to our New Year's plan.
Oh yeah, it's New Year's Eve. Are you so excited to do a countdown to midnight? If you stay awake that long. Yeah, like they have this doll. And I think his name is Cynthia. Is that the doll's name?
Oh, that's Abigail.
What's that?
It's Abigail? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, the doorbell rings, I think.
Oh, I wonder who it is.
Oh man, I hope it doesn't mess
gonna go-
up our New Year's plan. I'll go check out who it is. I hope it's not a bad guy. Oh, it's just Willie.
Hi!
Hi.
I just noticed the pony out here in the front yard.
Well, yeah, what's up?
Is it yours?
Yeah, we found him walking around earlier today.
Now, I've been opening up doors and ringing doorbells, knocking on doors for 3 weeks now.
Oh, wow, what have you been looking for?
That's why I'm wearing the disguise. I'm off the reservation. I'm not supposed to be doing that.
Oh,
So,
what have you been looking for?
my horse. You haven't seen my horse, have you?
I'm afraid I have not. Sorry.
How about I take this one?
Oh, that would work. Hey, if you want to stay a while, we have some whole plans for tonight. Do you think you have time to stay?
I'm afraid not. We have a big powwow scheduled back on the reservation. New Year's Eve and all, you know, pretty important to the Indians. So I'll just be on my way.
First, I want my brother to come.
No, I don't want you.
Oh, he's coming. Holy mackerel! Yep. We ready? You got your lightsaber?
If we're gonna go out there, it's pretty dark, so we'll need some light. Let's go.
Oh, seems to like me. Oh, yeah. I bet I can make this one work.
Willie just tamed that pony.
He's just like the Mandalorian. Ah!
I think I'm just going to ride this one bareback back to the reservation. This one even has side curtains. See y'all later.
Well, there he goes. I guess we'll see him again 4th of July. Or maybe sooner. Okay, so the next thing on our New Year's list is to do an epic Nerf battle. It looks like you're already ready. Alright, you stay up here and I'll go into the basement. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm gonna hide in my favorite spot. This is the perfect hiding spot for him. When he comes right there, I'm gonna shoot his leg and he's gonna look around and see where it came from. And then he's not gonna know, but then he's gonna think, then he's gonna shoot over there. And then when he and then when he is all out of bullets, he loses and I win. That's a good idea.
One. Yeah.
Get up! Where is he? I hope he's running. I have to run. I'm gonna hit him right in the chest. I hope I'm doing good. Hi.
Four.
Ow!
Don't shoot him in the face, Harper.
Let me shoot out my arm. Look. Uh-oh. I'm out.
Here's how you look serious, Jim. Okay, there we go. It's all fixed. Wait! Ah! No!
Ah!
Harper, I know how to settle this. Let's do it with duel. Ah! That's 2 shots! Aha! You're out of ammo. Ah! Hey! So Harper, I've got a better idea. How about we do a duel?
Okay.
Man to man. Whoever does this, whoever shoots first, wins.
Yeah, I want to win.
Okay, open the door. Let's go.
Ah!
Ah! Yaha! I got you.
Jack, what's that?
Harper, are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, here. Let me help you.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Ah!
Oh, no!
Oh!
Oh! Where did he go? Does this mean I won? Yeah, I think I won.
You're gonna win.
Uh-oh. No! No! No!
Dang it, it was not loaded.
No! Oh!
Ah.
Oh, Harper, you really hurt me. Can you please go get Mom?
Yeah, I guess.
Ha!
I'm gonna get you back.
Oh! Oh! Okay, Harper. I think you win.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess this means you win. But I will get revenge on you. Anyway, it's time for our next activity. Let's go. Okay, so our activity now is watching an old YouTube video, Nerf War over Fluffy. I think it was the beginning of the year, so, like,
This is the same gun that's in there.
yeah, I think this was in the beginning of the summer, before our Rescue Bot Gauntlet series. So this was a long time ago, but it was still this year. But it won't
Yeah,
be
that
this year
was-
for long.
Yeah, that was before we cleaned and tidied up.
Yeah.
This is when I didn't lost my guns. This is the time where you've been good.
What do you mean?
because you were doing some good things, like you were just not doing any grumpy things.
What do you mean?
Oh, and Fluffy was a lot had of.
Oh, yeah, she did have a lot of fur. Wow.
Yeah, we shouldn't let her get that fur again.
Yeah. I remember when she kept escaping from that fort.
Yeah, why?
I don't know, but she...
I think you took her. You did.
No, she kept finding ways out.
Oh, yeah, because my table made her. She jumped up on the table and she jumped right down and that's how she got out.
Oh, yeah.
I remember that. We should make, like, I know. We should make a box there, the cardboard box, so she can't get out.
Yeah, we should have done that.
Yep. That's the gun I lost. That one that you have. That really old one.
Man, this is one of our first videos.
Yep.
In fact, I think it was our first video.
Wait. This is when I was a little tiny in the basement.
Yeah, it was.
That time there's not that much stuff. We had a little bit of
Huh,
tiny.
you got a little window. I remember I said that a lot at school.
You did?
Yeah. It was your catchphrase.
That's my new gardening thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we should have done a video building our houses.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool.
So we could remember. So we could show Alex what it looked like.
Oh, yeah.
And showed Now and Audrey and everyone.
Yeah. Whoa. This is really
That
good.
time the Hot Wheels thing was up there.
Yeah.
Wait, was that the day that my computer was like that, or was it still yours?
I think it was still mine.
Wait, I think it was still old.
Oh, yeah, I remember that part. You actually got sad.
How?
I don't remember.
Oh, Fluffy looked cute that time.
Well, that was fun. We'll watch a few other videos, then we can do the next activity.
Okay.
For this hour, we're just gonna sit down and refuel, so be back soon. This one's really good. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. My stomach hurts. Did I really eat that many? Oh no, what time is it?
My name is Revelation. Do not eat donuts. I'm gonna make sensible choices.
Good resolution. Man.
Really good. I wish I had a donut though.
I don't think you get the point of resolution.
I do. I just said that I wish I had a donut though. That looks really good. You won't let me have it though.
That was good. Well, there's one more left. I better not eat it. I'll save it till tomorrow. My first food of 2020.
Save it for me, please. Fluffy's chair. Sound good? I don't know.
Okay, so for this next hour, we're gonna build the Resistance Y-Wing Starfighter, as you can see. Get ready, because this might take a while. have finished, although I bet you the last order will destroy it. It's almost midnight. Then we will do our last activity. This is our last activity. It is 2020 now. This shall be the first battle of 2020, and I shall get my revenge.
I'm trying to do the toilet thing. You can't get me! Lightsaber, I can't beat you, but I think this will help! I don't think these videos were great enough for you! Yes, you're Darth Vader, I can defeat you! You're never gonna turn me to the dark side.
I already have. It's part of my plan.
I don't think so. I don't defeat you, but
Haven't you seen it, Harper? For this whole year, trying to defeat me with the gauntlet? You're already on the dark side.
Since good of you.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!